Alrighty guys, so this is our car, and we are going to be putting on a eBay cheap front lip that I actually got for free. So yeah, first things first, what we're going to want to do is, the way this lip works is it just goes around the bottom of the car there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take a little rag, we're just going to wipe it down really good with some water, and yeah, just to get it a little bit cleaner and promote adhesion. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so next step is just to put it on. Like I said, it is rubberized, so it's pretty stretchy and bendable. The reason why I'm holding it with two hands like this is because I already have the adhesive peeled off, so I'm just going to go ahead and stick it on. I'm going to go from one side to the other, and yeah, should be pretty simple. Alrighty guys, so that wasn't really that hard to install. As of now, not really liking the look of it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's pretty wavy down at the bottom. Probably gonna leave it on here for a couple days and see if it balances itself out and, you know, starts looking a little bit better. But yeah guys, nevertheless, this is another 5-minute mod. And yeah, overall thoughts, if you just want to do something cheap and easy to your car, no real skill required, yeah, I mean, I'd say it's only, I think new, they're only like $21 on eBay, so if you do it, you hate it, pull it back off, and oh well. If you like it, then leave it. But yeah, so thank you very much guys, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.